welcome to Grammar Lessons. So today I am going to teach you about determiners. So let's get started. Now first of all, what is a determiner? A determiner is a word that is used with a noun to limit or modify the meaning of the noun. Some determiners are indefinite articles, a and definite articles, the, zero articles, means no articles. So what is an determiner? It is a word that is used with a noun to limit, सीमित करता है the meaning of the noun. Now, what is an indefinite and a definite article? Indefinite article. We use a and when we do not specify the thing or people we are talking about with countable noun. So when we use and when we do not specify the thing or the people we are talking about, we do not specify. We use a before a consonant sound and before a vowel sound. Just remember, I'm just saying sound. For example, this honest. We say an honest person, an honest man. An honest spelling start with H. But then also we use what? An. So don't confuse. So constant sound and vowel sound. Now, definite article. We use the definite article the when the speaker talks about a specific object that both the person speaking and the listener knows. So when we use definite article the, जब speaker जो बात कर रहा है about a specific object, जब किसी स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्ट बारे बात हो रहा हो और बोथ पर्सन स्पीकिंग जो बोल रहा हो और जो सुन रहा है उस चीज को ऑब्जेक्ट को जानता हो, तब क्या हम यूज करते हैं? द. वी यूज द व्हेन वी स्पीक ऑफ समथिंग और समवन फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम. किसी भी चीज के बारे में जब हम उसके बारे में दूसरी बार बोलते हैं सेकेंड टाइम, तो हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू जस्ट रिमेंबर, जब भी हम लोग कोई पैराग्राफ लिखते हैं तो कोई भी चीज के बारे में लिखते हैं, मान लो कि एक पैराग्राफ लिखिए ऑन टेबल, तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं अ टेबल, दिस इज अ टेबल. फिर उसी को जब हम लोग दूसरी बार लिखते हैं तो हम लोग सेंटेंस में क्या यूज करते हैं? द टेबल. लेट्स नोट समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट द. समटाइम्स वी यूज द टू मीन डिफरेंट थिंग्स. इट विल बी क्लियर फ्रॉम द एग्जाम्पल. वी ड्रैंक द वाटर. यहाँ पे हम लोग द यूज किए हैं. We drank water. यहाँ पे द यूज नहीं किए हैं. तो यहाँ पे द क्यों यूज किए हैं? Because specific water, some particular water, we know about that. And द नहीं यूज किए हैं मतलब कि any water. Now, zero article. When is an article not used? जब आर्टिकल नहीं यूज होता है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Zero article. We do not use an article with names of people, special names, books, sports, games, countries, states, provinces, lakes and mountains, except when the country is a collection of states. So we do not use an article. Now, I want that you people pause your video and just try to complete this blank. Then afterwards, I will just reveal with you the answer. So, just pause your video. Have you played dash charade before? Charade is, do you know what is charade? Charade is a party game. उसमें क्या होता है कि एक्शन, वन इज डूइंग एक्शन किसी भी फिल्म का या बुक का, और दूसरा व्यक्ति क्या करता है, उसको पहचानता है उस एक्शन से, एंड देन ही जस्ट पहचानने के बाद अगर बुक का नाम है तो बुक, एक्टर का नाम है तो एक्टर, मीन्स वो बताता है. सो दिस इज अ पार्टी गेम. सो ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी द, check your answers. Have you played? यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Zero article means zero, कुछ भी नहीं. Charade before. It is an interesting game that can be played in two different ways. In the first way, the audience guesses the word. You have in, यहाँ पे zero article, यहाँ पे कोई article नहीं है. From a series of, again यहाँ पे zero articles, that one person gives. The word must have two syllables or more. In the second method, you act out the word to the audience. So check your answers. How many are correct and how many are wrong? Okay. Now, we are going to learn about other determiners. So what are they? Possessive, demonstrative, quantifiers, numbers, ordinals, interrogatives. Now one by one. Showing belongings. My, mera, your, his, her, its, our, their, whose. Belongings. मेरा है, उसका है, उनका है. So that is possessive. Demonstrative, pointed mention, this, that, these, those. ये क्या है? Demonstrative. Then quantifiers, showing quantity, few, little, less, many, much, more, some, any, all. ये सब क्या है? Quantifiers. Numbers, that is exact number. 1, 2, 5. Ordinals, showing sequence or order. Sequence, first, second, third. This is ordinals. Interrogative, asking questions. What, which, whose. So now what are quantifiers? The word in white are quantifiers. ये सब जो words है white में, what are they? Quantifiers. Example, some, any, few, little, more, much, many, each, every, both, all, enough, half, little, a lot of, and so on. What are they? Quantifiers. Quantifiers are commonly used before either countable or uncountable nouns. They have many dogs in their house. He has enough money to buy a story book. Now, exercise is there for you. I want that you people please pause your video and try to solve this. What you have to do? Can you use much or many with these words to make meaningful sentence? Means apple, milk, juice and bananas. What you have to use? Much or many. So fill in the blanks with much or many, and after that I will reveal you the answer. You check your answer after that. Okay, now check your answers. I ate apples में क्या use किए हो? Many. How much milk do you drink every day? Means apple count हो सकता है इसलिए many. How much milk? Drinking too much of juice will not help you. I saw many bananas on the tree. So check your answers. How many is correct? Okay. Now one more exercise there for practice. What you have to do? Choose the correct determiners to make meaningful sentences. Here it is, some, any. You have to choose any one, the correct one. She does not have experience. So you again pause your video and try to complete. After that I will reveal you the answer. Okay, now check your answers. She does not have any experience. Any हम लोग choose किए और कहाँ use किए हैं? Experience से पहले. Trees have been thoughtlessly chopped down. हम लोग क्या use किए हैं? Many. कहाँ पे use किए हैं? Trees से पहले. Many trees have been thoughtlessly chopped down. Now, I heard word of what was being said. कौन सा choose किए हैं? I heard every word. Word से पहले हम लोग क्या use किए? Every word of what was being said. I met president of the club. हम लोग क्या use किए? The president से पहले. I met the president of the club. Did you see book anywhere? हम लोग क्या use किए? My book से पहले. Did you see my book anywhere? So check your answers. How many are correct? Okay. Now one more exercise is there. Identify the determiners and say what type they are. Means आप लोगों को identify करना determiners और फिर बताना है कि कौन सा type है. Okay. So again you people pause your videos and try to find out the determiners and also say what type of determiners are there. Okay. So now I will reveal you the answer. Now here just see the answer. Before Africans कोई भी article है? नहीं. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Zero article. Now next one is discovered the first. The क्या है? Definite article. They ate the seeds. Again ये जो the है again क्या है? Definite article. to combat the tiredness in their bodies. Again their को underline करो. Their कौन सा article है? Possessive. Cola seeds contain a substance that act as a stimulant. Again underline A. A क्या है? Indefinite. Then here also A substance. A underline करो. ये भी क्या है? Indefinite. Now they did a lot of strenuous work for the European settlers. Again underline this. A lot of. A lot of क्या है? Quantifiers. Then the यहाँ पे again underline करो. The क्या है? Definite article. Some of them worked. Again underline it. Some क्या है? Quantifiers. Then worked for 12 hours a day. Every African. Underline every क्या है? Quantifiers. Knew where to get these seeds. These क्या है? Demonstrative. So check your answers. How many is correct? And if your answers are wrong, don't worry. Please go through the video once again. If you will understand the determiners, your answer will be correct. So go through the video once again and try to understand it. Till then, stay home, stay healthy. Goodbye.